Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Shark gaming tablet and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So if we've got our device in this configuration, we need to open the settings, which are in the right upper corner. So just tap on it. Oh my gosh. All right, so here all we need to do is to localize this take photo section and tap on countdown timer. So in this device we've got 4 options: off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me mark 10 seconds delay, and as you can see it has been immediately applied. So now we can go back and tap on this shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, our device will count down from 10, 5 or 2, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. Okay, not the best, but this is how the timer works. And of course, if you want, you can turn it off. Just go to the settings again. So in this configuration, they are in the left upper corner, and tap on countdown timer, mark off. Now we can go back, and from now on our device will take photos almost right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.